Hello students, welcome to the online class of computers. How's you all? I hope you all are very well at your home. Yes students, in last class we discussed the chapter that is advanced features of Excel. So in today's class we will discuss the book exercise of this chapter. So let's start the book exercise. Yes, grade 7 students, now we will start the book exercise of this chapter. Okay, so in this, first is filling the blank here, and then true and false is there, and application based questions are there. After that there is a multiple choice question is there, and book exercise some questions are there. Okay, yes students, section A is here. First is filling the blanks. Okay, with the help of hints you have to fill the blanks. Okay, so first filling the blank is dash is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. So what is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form? Data with the help of chart. Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Second is dash is a related set of data values. So data series is a related set of data values. Third is a dash key is that is used to identify the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to data series. So what is a key that is used to identify the colors and patterns? That is legends. Okay. Fourth is a dash chart display data in a form of long rectangular road. So what type of chart that display data in a form of long rectangular road? That is bar chart. Fifth is dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the value. Okay, for plot the value that we use the value axis. Okay, value axis is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Last is the purpose of grouping worksheet is to enter common dash and dash and dash. Okay, so purpose of grouping worksheet is to enter common data, formatting effects and formulas. Okay, I'm repeating once again. First is chart, second is data series, third is legend, four is bar, fifth is value axis, and sixth is data formatting effect and formulas. So next is true and false. First true and false is, here you have to read the statement first. If the statement is correct, so you have to click the tick mark true. If the statement is false, then you have to tick mark false. Okay, so first is a chart is updated automatically when the change in data. So that is true. When we any change in data, so automatically with the change in data also. Okay, so that is true. Next is, we cannot modify the chart by changing its color and patterns. No students, with the help of chart we can also change the colors, patterns, designs. Okay, so that is also true. Third is, x-axis is the horizontal axis. Yes student, that is also true. X-axis is the horizontal axis and y-axis is the vertical axis. Fourth is, the chart area contains the actual chart itself and include data series, categories and value axis as well. So that is true. Okay. Fifth is, you can change the pattern of data series using fill option. Yes students, with the help of fill option we can change the pattern also. Sixth is, all the worksheets cannot be deleted in a workbook. No students, we can also delete the worksheet in workbook and Excel also. Okay, so here first is true, second is true, third is also true, fourth is also true, fifth is also true, and sixth is false. Yes students, now is application based question. So first question is, Ritu is a student of class 7th. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities of India. suggest a chart type that suit her projects. So with the help of column chart, we easily draw the population of 4 metro cities of India. Okay student, that is very easy. Column chart is very common. So with the help of column chart, we also make the chart of population. Okay. Next is Tirupati has created a chart. She wants to improve the appearance of her chart by changing the background color of its plot area. Which option will you suggest her to do so? Yes student, she should right click on the plot area, then select the format plot area to change the background color. Okay student, that is also very easy. Yes students, next is section B, multiple choice question. Okay, here you have to read the sentence first, and in 3 options you have to select the correct option. Okay, so first is, which feature is used to determine the input values needed to achieve a specific goal? So that is a grouping worksheet, legends or goal seek. So answer is goal seek. Okay, second is, what are the headings given to a x-axis and y-axis known as? So what is the meaning of this? What are the heading? हेडिंग कौन सी होती है जिनको हम एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस का नेम देते हैं? सो डैट इज डेटा सीरीज, एक्स टाइटल्स और लेजेंड्स. सो डैट इज एक्सेस टाइटल्स. थर्ड इज, which chart type display data in the form of circle? First is line chart, second is pie chart, and third is bar chart. So answer is pie chart. Fourth is, which function key is used to insert a chart instantly in a worksheet? So what is the function key to use to insert a chart? That is, first is F6, second is F8, third is F11. So answer is F11. Okay. Fifth is, which key is used to group multiple worksheets? Okay, which option we will use to group the multiple worksheet? First is shift, second is control, third is enter. So that is, first answer is shift. Okay. Sixth is, the minimum chart that fit into a single worksheet cell to provide the visual representation of data are known as mini chart, combo chart or spark lines. So answer is spark lines. I am repeating again. Answer 1 is goal seek, second is axis title, third is pie chart, fourth is F11, fifth is shift, and sixth is spark lines. Yes students, now answer the following question is here. So first question is very easy, that is, what is chart? So what is chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Okay, what is chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart make it easier to draw comparison, analysis the growth, relationship and trends among the values in the range. I am repeating again. What is chart? Chart is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form, and chart make it easier to draw comparison, analysis the growth, relationships and trend among the values in the range. Okay. Second is, how is a column chart different from the bar chart? So how a column chart is different from a bar chart? Column chart display data in a form of vertical bars, where the bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular rows. Okay. So I am repeating again. Column chart display data in a form of vertical bars, where the bar chart display data in the form of long rectangular rods. Yes students, next question is, what is the difference between chart area and plot area? So what is the difference in both objects? These both are the two objects. Chart area include all objects and element in a chart, where the plot area is window within a chart area. It contain actual chart, plotted area, data series, category and value axis. I am repeating again. Chart area include all objects and element in the chart, where the plot area is window within a chart area that contain actual chart, plotted area, data series, category and value axis. Okay. Fourth is, what is the utility of grouping the worksheet of a workbook? So, grouping worksheet facilitates in editing multiple worksheets at the same time. Here, we can enter common data, formatting effects and formulas in the grouping sheets. Okay students, so I am repeating again how to grouping the worksheet of a workbook. Grouping worksheet facilitates in editing multiple worksheets at the same time. Here we can enter common data, formatting effects and formulas in the group sheets. Okay. Okay students, and the next is, what is data consolidation? What is data consolidation? Data consolidate help in combining the data of multiple worksheets. Okay, we can combine data of various ranges either in a same sheet or in a different sheet. Okay, so I'm repeating again. What is data consolidation? Data consolidation help in combining the data of multiple worksheets. We can combine data of various ranges either in the same sheet or in a different sheet. Yes students, I hope this book exercise is clear to all. Yes, so in the next class we will discuss the new chapter. Okay students, so enjoy your day. Thank you.